Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Among Us Marvel gaming intro like this on Filmora9. So let's start the video. For more cool tutorial, please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. So first download the font. Go to graphicp.com, link in the description. In Among Us game, two fonts have been used. One is In Your Face Jafari and the second is VCR OSD Mono. So click the download icon and download two font. I already download and install this. Now open Filmora and import your file. I import 30 photos of Among Us for this intro. Now go to File and go Preferences. Go Editing and change photo duration second to frames. Set frame 3 and click OK. Now select one photo and press Ctrl+A for select all and drag it into timeline. As you can see, our all photos duration 3 frame. Now go to transition and search flip roll 1 and drag every 2 photo into timeline. Apply same process in every 2 photos.
Look at every single need. If you got what I need, then I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unfeel.
Now export this.
Just keep me full like
After export, import this file.
I know you like it. Can't find
Delete all from the timeline.
the wave. I'm New York and
Drag this video and check some preview.
shockwaves.
Okay, now add 3 times this video. Now select number 3 video and go speed and duration. Set duration 3 times speed and click OK. Select number 2 and set 2 times speed. And select first one and set 1.5 times speed and click OK. Let's check some preview. Now also export this. After export, delete all from the timeline and import number 2 video and also import Marvel red background and intro music. Now drag music into timeline
Hey, who are you and you are not the one in your way.
and also drag red background and adjust with music.
Boss, look almost your brain waste.
Now look, this higher part indicate music high beat.
Summer grabbing
We'll get started our text from here and text effect will end from here. Now add marker in high beat of music. Press M for marker. Now go to text and add default text and adjust like this. Double click on text and go advanced. Type your text. Change font In Your Face Jafari.
I'm the girl that they don't talk about. Quiet
Change size.
now, listen for the doubt, then call it. Make
Add border and add shadow
Get every single need. If you got what I need, then
and click OK.
take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unfeel. Key in ignition. Just keep
Now split the text in second marker
in a while. Feel alright.
and select first part of text and go advanced.
Let you ride
Go animation and select zoom out 3 animation and click OK.
The shockwaves.
Now drag number 2 video into new track. We need video so far, so that again drag same video, but it's too large. So drag video in upper timeline and split last part. Delete first part and drag video in previous position. Now double click on first video and go properties. Go compositing and change normal to multiply. Again select number 2 video and apply same and click OK. Now go to transition and add dissolve transition in first text.
Who are you and you are not the one in your way?
Double click on transition and set transition duration around 2 seconds 20 frame
I'm a freak in
and click OK.
this. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you.
Now add fade transition in every first and last part of the video. And also add dissolve transition in second video. Our effect is done, but for cinematic view you can add a overlay. Go to effect and search cinema 21:9 and drag into timeline. Render frame for smooth playback.
Quiet with a big mouth, listen for the doubt they
Let's take some preview.
make you out.
Okay, let's export our final project.
Once in a while, feel
If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for this type of cool tutorial.